Keeping it local, AirVenture gives visitors the chance to see and learn about a wide range of aircraft. Today, one of the aircraft on display is used to gather important weather information.
Storm Team 5 meteorologist Chad Rathesberger introduces us to the hurricane hunters.
As we make our way through the hurricane season, a special group of pilots, engineers, and meteorologists make it their mission to gather vital weather information. These people are known as the hurricane hunters.
When the Hurricane Center needs to know what's the lowest pressure in the eye, how strong the winds are in the eye wall, we gather that information and we beam it directly to the Hurricane Center via satellite.
A wide range of sensors and radars are installed on the aircraft to provide up-to-the-second conditions.
We have all kinds of ways to measure temperature, humidity, wind direction, wind speed using the aircraft, and then we release sensors, which we call dropsondes, that fall by parachute. They're sort of the opposite of a weather balloon. Instead of going up, they go down, and they're measuring all those same things in the atmospheric profile below the aircraft until they hit the ocean.
All the data collected is fed into the computer models, which help forecasters predict the speed and direction of the storm. A second aircraft is also used to sample the environment around the hurricane.
The Gulfstream jet flies in the area surrounding the storm, what we call the steering currents. And those observations are critical in determining whether a storm is going to veer to the left, is it going to veer to the right, is it going to slow down, speed up.
And even with advances in satellite technology, it is the aircraft that is still the best way to get data directly from the storm.
People may think it's kind of crazy to fly into hurricanes, but the best way to gather the data in terms of how strong the storm is by flying an airplane into it.
Reporting in Oshkosh, Chad Rathesberger, Local 5 News.
And it takes nearly 4 hours inside the hurricane for crews to gather the data needed by the National Hurricane Center.